Do you like this lock?
Yeah, I've had it for like a decade. Yeah, it works. I have no reason to change it. I
like
dropped
your
it.
top tube cover.
My friend made it for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's cute.
And doggies.
Doggies. First question is like, who's your least favorite person who works here?
Owen. I was told not to badmouth Owen, so that's what's happening.
All right, I'm here and we're doing another bike check. Tell me about your bike. Oh wait, who are you?
My name's Sasha. I work at Urbane. This is my Miyata 1000. 1000. This is a top tube cover that my friend made me. It's got doggies. Keeps it safe. This bike is a bit older than I am even, but it works.
How long have
It's
you
great.
had it?
Had it for like 5-ish years, something like that. It was apparently sitting in a bike shop unused for like 10 years, kept original, and I bought it from them, and they then changed basically everything on it. There's a couple of original things, but
What are the
Yeah.
original things?
there's headset, bottom bracket, and crank are still original, and basically everything else is new.
What's your favorite part of the bike?
Dynamo tires, the rack. Yeah.
Love the pink Gravel Kings.
Yeah, I guess
So
it's a
cute.
dynamo and tires.
The Dynamo
Pink tires, pink pedals, pink
tires.
housing. I like the routing through the bull moose bars.
Uh-huh.
That makes me happy. The rack is really solid, especially with the extra stay. So it's really solid, can carry my dog on it.
What's the weirdest thing that you've changed?
I've swapped the free hub body with a random Frankenstein free hub body, so now I can run 9-speed on it. Yeah, that just happened to work. It's kind of a fully unofficial thing. Yeah,
Thanks for telling us about the history of the bike before you had it too.
yeah.
That's always fun.
It sat around. It had like drop bars, down tube levers, so there's still the original down tube lever actually. So front shifting on the down tube, rear shifting on the thummy.
It's kind of fun. Thanks for showing us your bike.
Yeah. It's my Miyata. Bouncy.
That was fun.